First of all, H4 time frame of SP500, and last week it made 50% retracement of this complete trend from bottom to top. So this jump was purely technical, and if somebody buy at 50% retracement, then as explained in last video, this was buying opportunity for H1 time frame. Because if you are thinking that entire market will reverse and it will make new high, then it is too early to say, because this was bullish trend when Fed was printing money on the name of QE monetary policy, and it is going down on Fed QT monetary policy, and they are hiking rate, and it's look like they will not stop until they go to 5% interest rate. So until their job is done, they reach 5% interest rate, they start cutting interest rate. This bullish trend will not start before that. So if this low breaks, then next target will be 61% retracement, and this horizontal level has been worked as a support zone in past many time. So this technical trader on break of this support will try again buying at 61% retracement, and it is 3195 level, and projection target for this wave Y in compared to wave W and X is 3143. So it is better that we all wait for at least 61% retracement before we can think for buying long term, because now we have two risks for the stock market: deep recession and stagflation, and both are extremely bearish. Since there is a big price gap before our next price level, the question is how we will trade, because this H1 buying opportunity is gone, and we have to see where can be our next trade. First, this was our last chart pattern, head and shoulder, and it has break out its neckline, and now it is going down. So people who sold from this high or breakout of this neckline, either they are out, that is why it jumps up, because they are short term trader, or their next TP should be at 61% retracement level. First we will have to wait for breakout of this support level, then after breakout we will sell retest, and will target up to 3195, or it can make a sideways correction, the triangle correction, but for that we have to wait for at least 1 or 2 weeks. But these two are our only possibility, or if goes more up making AVC zigzag correction, then we can sell retracement, and this area is our first resistance, then this one. We cannot draw a retracement, because first we need to wait it going up, then we will draw retracement. But only trade plan right now is breakout of this support, then selling on retest. And if we compare SP500 with NASDAQ, then same thing happened here. This was fake double bottom trade, it made support and it bent up, and everyone was expecting that market has bottom, but this was technical trade. And right now we are in wave Y. So this previous support first breakout, then retest, and both thing happened last week, and now it is ready to make new low, because first it tested as a support and now it is testing as a resistance. Since similarly like SP500 NASDAQ hit 61% retracement, so there was big jump on intraday basis in these stocks, because these two were giving technical buying signal at the same time. So this level break, the new low come on SP500 and NASDAQ both. Then NASDAQ has target near 7993, so it has more room to go downside, and before that this can be our possible support, the previous all-time high, because this support breakout retest opportunity is gone and it happened in 1 week, and now you can wait for sideways correction, and if it make a triangle correction below previous low after breakout, then when the triangle complete with ABCDE wave, then final wave E we can sell, but target will be 7993. And with this huge price gap, you can see only market crash can send NASDAQ up to that level, because this is our price target for wave Y in compared to wave W and X. Since this entire trend of NASDAQ started in 2009, was big trend of globalization, and it cannot survive 5% interest rate. So if those investors, and many of them are saying that globalization is dead, if that happen then it can also retest this coronavirus market bottom, and this is possible, but for that we need panic market selling, because 75 basis point rate hike in November is almost confirmed, and everything depends on next FOMC December. If they repeat 75 again in December, then this market crash can hit this coronavirus bottom, because once they hit 5% interest rate, this globalization investor will not get 0% interest rate until this stagflation cycle is over, and it will take 5 to 10 years. And if we go to Dow Jones Industrial Average, this did not give a clear signal like SP500 and NASDAQ. On this H4 time frame, we have to wait either it hit this lower trend line or 50% retracement level, because these two are our support and buying level for intraday buying opportunity, and wave buy target is 26,982. So it had not hit any one of our price level, either it hit 50% or 100% projection for wave buy. Before that we have to wait, and this 50% retracement level 27,583 is a strong horizontal support zone, and this level has been tested as a support zone multiple times. So this is our only horizontal support. Below that, next target will be 61% retracement level, and this is also a support zone, and this can be a ABC flat correction, or based on price action you can see a double top, and after breakout of this support it is ready to make new low. In that condition we will wait for breakout, then sell retest and target 50% and 100% projection level, or it can make a triangle correction. Then we will sell final wave E on retest of this upper trend line, but target will be 50% retracement level, because this can be possible sideways correction before final breakout to downside. And if we see daily chart of Tesla, then this was our head and shoulder chart pattern, and now it is breaking this neckline. Since Tesla is also a bubble indicator like Bitcoin, so if it going down, then this is a confirmed negative signal for investor, so there can be more panic selling on other stocks. And after breakout of this neckline just wait for retest, and after retest it is ready to crash more.